Hi guys, Mel here out of the AOK Healing Centre, Emerald Bank. Just want to show you guys our natural cleaning products that we have in the shop. So the brand is Euclove. They are a natural antibacterial, antifungal, antiseptic, insect repelling surface cleaner. So they're all made from all natural products. They've got clove oil in. They smell absolutely beautiful. So we've got our floor cleaner there. So the small bottle is 300 mils. That's $12. The 500 mil is $15. We've got a lavender and rose geranium hand wash. So that's actually got neem oil in too, which is really good. I love neem oil. So the small one of those is $12 and the 500 mil is $18. So they've got natural essential oils, that sort of stuff in. So that's really good. We've got these little sample packs. So they're $29.95. So you get it in that little cute bag. You get a microfiber cloth and you get a 50 ml of each stainless steel kitchen, floor and bathroom cleaner. So you'll be able to try it out and just, see what you think with those. So that's really good value. Comes in that really nice little bag. So that's handy to keep it in storage. We've got kitchen cleaner. So same thing, $12 for the 300 ml and $15 for the 500. Glass and mirror and bathroom cleaner. So these are all, they're biodegradable, they are plant-based surfactants, they're certified cruelty-free, vegan-friendly, and they're made in Australia. So made and owned in Australia, which is awesome. So yeah, it says this product is free from ammonia, bleach, artificial fragrance, dyes and colours, sodium lauryl sulfate. Now that's a big one. That's in everything, all your shampoos, all that sort of stuff. So these products don't have that in. Parabens, it's another one, and your propylene glycol. So these are really great. If you want to get rid of all those nasty chemicals out of your house, this is a really good range to start with. So if you've got any questions about those, you can give us a call at the OK Centre. We're here 7 days a week, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Our phone number is 0358 231544. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day and hope to see you out here soon. Oh, thanks, Chrissy. It does look amazing and they smell amazing as well. So they're fantastic, especially with all the, coronavirus and everything going around now. I reckon this is a great range. And it's also good to get all them chemicals out of your house. All right, guys, so enjoy the rest of your day and hope to see you out here soon. Bye-bye.